Hello over there at Transformation Landscaping Company. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO, and yes, we are a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I was told Jeff would be the correct person to watch this video, so Mr. Jeff, I hope you're watching. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I'm sure you're super busy. I'm not going to take too much of your time. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. Also, I'll be showing you what you have going behind the scenes of your website. This is good to know if you decide to go with an SEO agency or work with another web developer. Yeah, let's get into it. The 3 things I want to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Your website looks good. Looks like this is it here. I like the colors. It's soft in the eyes. The navigation is fairly simple. All the links seems to be working just fine. There's really not much content here in the homepage. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. What I mean by stuffing, in other words, is spamming. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without protocol is just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam if you don't follow protocol as far as the content and keywords. What I mean by keywords is pretty much how I found you. An example would be landscaping, Chilliwack, Sherman Oaks, California. That's a keyword. You want to gather a bunch of high volume keywords that people are actually searching for inside of Google. Just implement them into your content. Just careful, follow protocols, and you should be just fine as far as the content goes. Let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is what you have going currently in the background of your website. This is a paid platform. You could jump into Ahrefs and use this platform to monitor what you have going. Looks like at this time you have 136 keywords. Again, with the keywords, this is very important. Organic traffic, 57. So on a monthly basis, you're getting around 57 people jumping onto your website organically. Referring domains, 142. Backlinks, 980. So this is not bad, 32. You got over 900, almost 1,000. It's giving you a URL level of 32 as far as the backlinks goes. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks, again, is your URL level here, and it'll show you how many backlinks you have here. The third and final thing would be citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services, that would pretty much be a citation. That is what a citation is. And that falls under the DR meter here, which you are at a 6. 142 domains plus the citations. It's not giving you any boost, unfortunately. You want to keep these two at a 1-to-1 ratio, just so Google could preference your website and boost you up on Google's rankings. So this is what you have going. I want to give you a quick example of what you want to see. This is another landscaping company at Orange County. You can see they have over 1,500 words here. They have a lot of text content. In these 1,500 words, they have those keywords I was just mentioning. Jumping into the background, looks like they have over 300 organic keywords. Organic traffic in a monthly basis, they have almost 1,000. Referring domains to 136, again with the citations group. Backlinks over 800, 4239. So this is almost at a 1-to-1 ratio. Not far out. This is really good. This company is actually in the first page of Google. So as you can well imagine, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citation, that site is not really gaining any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, calls, and leads. And what company wouldn't want that, right? Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, please give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.